actually make over $2,000 every single month just by posting videos on my social media profile. And the best part is that, well, you actually don't need any followership to actually do this, and you also don't have to meet up with any platform monetization requirement to actually make this money. All you need to do is simply create a brand new Instagram account, sign up to this website I will reveal to you in this video, take any video from there, post it, submit a link to them, and you can get paid for it. Now, for those of you who don't know, Klippify is actually a website that pays you to post videos on your social media profile and then you submit the link to them. So it's just like every other clipping system that I've taught you before, but this version of clipping, you actually don't have to generate a lot of followers or views like I do on my Facebook page before I start making money. In this video, I'm actually going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how you can actually go from setting up your Instagram account to actually making your first $1 on this platform. Now, the first thing here is simply you need to create an Instagram and TikTok account. Now, I've already created mine in order to save you time in this video because I don't want us to go through all these basic steps. So just create an Instagram account the same way you actually create your normal Instagram account. Now, for the profile picture, the bio, and other details related to the profile, well, I actually use ChatGPT to do all the branding and every single thing, and I have the list of prompts that I personally use to get all of those setups. So now, in case you are interested in actually setting up your profile and then designing every single thing with ChatGPT like I personally did, then comment prompt down in the video description. I'm going to give you a link to actually go download the prompt too. Now, when it comes to signing up to Klippify, all you need to do is simply click on the link that's available in this video description. And once you click on that link, it should bring you to a page like this. Now, on this page, make sure you go for where it says for clippers, because you are a clipper and not a brand. So once you come over to for clippers, click on where it says start earning today. So once you click on the sign up page, it brings you over here. Now, on this page, this is where you need to fill in all your sign up details, every single thing that is required. Make sure you give them every single thing. They are a legitimate company. You are not to be scammed. And note, this video is not a paid promo. Now, back up to our screen. Now, once you are into your dashboard, you are going to get this intro video, which is a must for you to actually learn more about the platform. So I would advise you dedicate at least 5 minutes of your time to actually watch this video to get more ideas. Now, once you are done watching this video, now here's how your dashboard actually looks. Now you can see that this is a demo account that I created and I haven't done anything with it. I just needed it to set up a demo account to show you how it will appear to you who just got started. Now, over here where it says withdrawable earnings, this is where every single amount that you've earned that you can actually withdraw will be available, because not every amount earned is immediately withdrawable, because some project they need to still process your performance before they actually allow withdrawal. So here is where your total earnings, every single amount that you've made, will actually be shown. And over here is where all your active campaigns, the number of campaigns you're actually working on, will be shown. And here will be your overall rating. Now, the higher your ratings, the higher probability of you getting more deals. Now, you see over here where it says wait list. Now, whenever you join a program that they need to first of all process your profile before they approve you, this is where it will be shown. And past is where every single task that you are done with will also be shown. And joined is where the programs that you are actually approved to post on will be shown as well. So now, once you set up your profile like this, the most important thing I would advise to do is simply click on your profile and click on profiles. Now, you see where it says connect bank account. This is where you're actually going to link your payout details. So once you click on the connect bank account, come over here, enter your personal details, and then come over here to select currency, which is the currency you want to be paid in. So if you're in Nigeria, Ghana, just go with any of whether euro, pounds, or US dollar. Now I advise US dollar because processing US dollar payment to Nigeria and Ghana is way more easier than any other currency. Now over here, select account type. Since you are receiving this payment outside the United States or outside a particular country where the local currency is based, make sure you go for Swift/international transfer and then fill in all these details. Now, once you are done, you just click on connect and they are going to confirm your bank account. So whenever you want to make withdrawal, all your payment will be sent to this account. Now, from there, once you set up your Instagram profile and things, this is where you actually link your social media profile. You click on it, it says add profile, and then you see over here is the free plan. So when you are on the free plan, you can only link one social media profile. So for that one social media profile, I would advise you link TikTok, because TikTok is very easy for you to generate views. So link TikTok. Now they also have a pro plan. Now those pro plan is where you actually get to add a lot of social media platform. Now for me, I won't advise you to go to their pro plans, not at all. Stay with the free plan until you make money on the free plan. You can use that money to subscribe to their paid plans. The paid plans gives you more offers and also gives you more options to actually link more social media platforms. So now, in order for you to see the videos that you actually clip, which is one of the most important things, come over to where it says campaigns. Now once you come over to campaigns, now you're actually going to see every single thing that is currently available for you to clip. Now you can open up any of these projects and start clipping from them. Now let me show you how that actually works. Now once you're on this page here right now, you can come over here and then search for location. Like maybe you want to clip only things from a particular country or a particularly targeted area. Then you come over to location here and then filter out by that particular areas. Or maybe you only linked your TikTok, so you come over here and filter out tags that only pay TikTok people, or you can come over here to Instagram. So for me, on this free account, I only linked TikTok, so you can see that what I can only so I only linked Instagram, so I filter out to Instagram. Now you can see these tags here. They are paying you $1 for every 1,000 views. So for every 1,000 views you generate, you will be paid $1. And that means that what if you're able to generate 10,000 views, that is $10 from this single video. And you and I know that on TikTok, that is pretty much easy. Now you see here, now this person is spending $1,500 for this particular ads, and people have generated, other people who are clipping the videos have generated $556 out of it. So once this $1,500 is exhausted from views generated, then this whole money is actually gone. You can see this person is paying $556 for 698,000 views, which is actually worth it. Now in case you don't want to do all these $1 small dollar tax, well, you can also filter out by payments. Like for example, take a look at this one here. It's paying $3 for every 1,000 view. And if you go lower, you're also going to see this one is paying $2.50 for 1,000 views. And the more you go, the more you're actually going to see this one is also paying $2 for 1,000 view. This one is paying $3, this one is paying $2, and there are some tags that will pay you. Take a look at this one here. It's paying you $5 for every 1,000 view. So now here's all the tags. Now the next thing you need to do from here is simply, in case you're interested in taking up any of the tags. So for example, let me take a look at this one. This one is paying $5 for every 1,000 view, which is okay. Now click on it. Now once you click on it, it says they're only paying to Instagram. Now this is very important. Now always read the descriptions here to understand what they are actually saying. Like for example, this is not in English, so let me just translate it. So let me translate to English. Let's say, okay, YouTube, he added this YouTube channel, 5 years at Binance, now head of growth starting Europe at Kraken. I dream of becoming a serious startup entrepreneur. Talk about AI marketing and growth, crypto and mindset. So that is his personal YouTube channel. Now you see here where it says that what acceptable criteria is auto. Now I would advise you to go for anything that says auto. Now when the criteria it says auto, it means that what AI that Klippify use will automatically process the video you submitted and pay you as well. You don't have to manually wait for human approval. So this is the reason why I prefer you go with only auto tags. This one is instantly you drop your video, AI will just process it immediately and your payout will be secured. Now content type is video. Now if you want to do video clipping, then make sure you always check out here content type video. Now you can see language is Italian, meaning that what the video that you are about to clip is in Italia. Now views paid from, now they are telling that they are only going to pay you for views that you generate from Italy. If your audience are not from Italy, then I'm sorry, you won't be your pays will not be secured. So you need to make sure that what your video gets a lot of engagement from Italian audience. Now there are some tags that are also worldwide as well. I will show you in a bit. Now here is the video rules, which is very important. Always read the video rules. Now let me use this as an example for you. Now say campaign, okay, campaign description. It's a fintech manager who aspires to become a digital entrepreneur. The campaign goal is to create effective and brand consistent content that clearly communicates the main message and generates interest in Lorenzo YouTube and Instagram account. To be monetized, each published reel must be at least 30 seconds long, clearly speak or refer to Lorenzo, be consistent. Now you see, this is telling you that what every single thing that you have to clip here must be referring to this guy brand and things, because he wants to promote his own personal brand. So you need to target his audience with this particular content you are coming to clip. So now for example, let me say you love the terms of this particular clipper of this particular terms. You just click on it, says request to join. Now you can see this one, maybe it has gotten the maximum audience needed. It says join 99 clippers, meaning 99 clippers have already go in, and maybe the maximum he said here is for 99 people based on the budget he's actually sending out. So with this you can't join. Now you take a look at other program as well. Now let me take a look at a different program here. Okay, let me just open up this. This one has 91 clippers already. Now this place is usually going to stay request to join. Now for example, let me go and use the one that I personally joined for the course of this tutorial to show an example to you. Like, click on this one right now. Once you join the program, once you click on it, it will open up a page for you. Now you see, for this one I'm already part of it, and the views are also paid from Italy alone. Now once you join the program, you are going to see the content that you clip from. They are obviously going to link a Google Drive file for you. Now once you click on this Google Drive like this, you are going to see the videos or images that you need to clip. Like for example, this one here, they wanted me to clip videos, and here are the videos that they actually wanted me to clip. So you can just download any of the videos, and when you read the description, you better understand what they want from the video. So they might have a lot of videos like this, but you have to clip just a few of it. So from here you can see other details. Now once you are done with any particular clip that you want to post, you just click on where it says upload content. Now this is how you actually get to submit your clip after posting it. Now once you post it like this, AI will be tracking it in real time, and you can see that this one says criteria is auto, meaning AI will be tracking it in real time. Once you get enough views required, you will be approved, and your payment will be released to this particular section here, and from here it goes in here, as simple as that. Now for the campaigns here, you can come, they have the image if you want to post images, video, and carousels. Now you can see budget. You can look for the most paid by clicking on most paid. The most paid ones will be shown on the top of the page. Now here is my secret tip to you. Now for those of you who want to get started, I will not advise you start with a brand new and fresh Instagram profile or TikTok profile. Look for a profile that already has about 1,000 to 2,000, 1,000 plus followers. This will actually give you a solid ground to stand on and guarantee that you get views. Like for example, I actually sell monetized Facebook pages, Instagram, and TikTok, and all of them have about 5,000 followers and above. Now once you buy any of these profiles, you can start clipping here. And one advantage of buying a monetized profile is that when you clip these people's video, number one, since your profile is monetized, the social media platform is also going to pay you for it, and at the same time you can also make money from these people's clip as well. So you are basically getting paid from two different ways. The content you are clipping from here is getting you paid, and also your social media profile is also getting you paid as well. Now for this one that I did as an example here, just for tutorial in the video, you can see that I just downloaded the video that they gave me from the drive where they were comparing alcohol and protein powder, and then I just added the caption here, people fear protein, because the video was about guys refusing to take protein but actively drinking alcohol. So people fear protein but drink alcohol. I just added this text above the video. Here is the video. I just placed it on the timeline, minimize it in the middle like this. And so guys, this is basically all I have for you in this video. For those of you who don't want to go through the hassle of actually clipping your own personal content, you want to get paid for the videos you clip, well, Klippify is the option for you. I actually made this video because a lot of people were demanding I make a video where they can clip for companies, and this is an example way. Now if you know any other website that actually pays people to clip, then let me know that in the comment section as well. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.